Customer retention is just as important as acquisition, especially in subscription based businesses like SaaS, fintech, and online services. High churn rates can significantly impact revenue, growth, and customer lifetime value. That's where ChurnZero comes in, a powerful customer success platform designed to help businesses reduce churn, increase engagement, and enhance customer relationships. ChurnZero provides real time insights into customer health, automated workflows, personalized engagement strategies, and deep analytics, making it an essential tool for any customer success team. Whether you're managing a small customer base or scaling a large enterprise operation, ChurnZero helps you proactively identify at risk customers, improve renewals, and drive long term customer loyalty. In this guide, we'll explore ChurnZero's key features and why it's a must have for customer success teams looking to maximize retention and growth. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the real time customer health scoring. ChurnZero continuously monitors customer activity, usage patterns, and engagement levels to generate dynamic customer health scores. These scores help CS teams identify high risk customers before they churn. This enables proactive intervention by alerting teams when customers show signs of disengagement, allowing for timely outreach and retention efforts. Another key feature is the automated customer journeys and playbooks. ChurnZero allows teams to create automated workflows and customer success playbooks that guide users through key milestones, renewals, and onboarding processes. This saves time and ensures consistent customer engagement, improving satisfaction and retention without requiring manual effort. Another key feature is the in app messaging and engagement. With ChurnZero, businesses can engage users directly inside their applications using in app messages, pop ups, and notifications tailored to each customer's journey. This enhances customer experience by delivering contextual help, feature adoption tips, and personalized product recommendations in real time. Another key feature is the customer segmentation and personalized engagement. ChurnZero enables businesses to segment customer based on usage, demographics, engagement levels, and renewal status, allowing for highly targeted messaging and support. This increases retention by delivering relevant, personalized interactions and resonate with different customer groups. Another key feature is the usage analytics and churn prediction. ChurnZero tracks detailed product usage metrics, analyzing trends to identify which features drive value and which customers are at risk of churn. This helps businesses prioritize customer success efforts, ensuring that high value customers receive the support they need to stay engaged. So, why is ChurnZero a great choice? ChurnZero is more than just a churn reduction tool. It's a comprehensive customer success platform designed to help businesses maximize customer retention, satisfaction, and revenue. Unlike traditional analytics tools that simply report on customer activity, ChurnZero takes a proactive approach by offering real time insights, automation, and engagement features that allow businesses to take immediate action. One of ChurnZero's biggest advantages is its real time customer health scoring system. Many businesses struggle to track customer engagement effectively, leading to reactive support efforts rather than proactive retention strategies. ChurnZero solves this problem by continuously analyzing customer behavior and flagging accounts that require attention, ensuring that teams can step in before churn becomes inevitable. Another major strength is ChurnZero's automation capabilities. The platform enables businesses to automate onboarding, renewal reminders, engagement campaigns, and customer success workflows, allowing teams to focus on high value relationships rather than repetitive manual tasks. This leads to better efficiency, improved consistency, and stronger customer relationships. ChurnZero also empowers businesses with in app engagement features, setting it apart from traditional CRM and analytics tools. By integrating in app messaging, production, product adoption tips, and feature announcements, companies can drive deeper engagement and reduce friction in the user experience, ultimately leading to higher retention rates. Lastly, ChurnZero is built for growth focused companies. It not only helps reduce churn, but also identifies upsell and expansion opportunities within existing customer accounts. So, in today's competitive landscape, customer success is the key to sustainable growth. ChurnZero provides the tools, insights, and automation needed to retain customers, increase satisfaction, and drive long term business success. So basically, ChurnZero is an essential platform for businesses looking to reduce churn, enhance customer engagement, and drive revenue growth. With features like real time health scoring, automation, predictive analytics, it equips customer success teams with the insights and tools they need to build lasting customer relationships. So, unlike traditional CRM or analytics tools, ChurnZero empowers businesses to take proactive action, helping them identify at risk customers, increase product adoption, and ensure smooth renewal cycles. So, if you're looking for a way to strengthen your customer success strategy, increase retention, and maximize customer lifetime value, ChurnZero is the perfect tool to help you achieve those goals. So start using ChurnZero today and take control of your customer success journey. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.